Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Huawei Band 11 and today I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this Smartband. So let's get started. If you want to change the watch face on your Smartband, first wake up the screen. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face. You can press and hold on this current watch face to open the watch face menu. And once the menu opens, how do we skip this? Press side button. Yeah. And once the menu opens, you should see the list of watch faces. You can scroll through by swiping on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, you can select it by tapping on it like that. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on custom. And this allows you to, for example, change the how the watch face looks, the style. We have also functions, so you can change the data being displayed on the watch face. You can tap on the data pool, scroll through the list, find something you like. And now I have two step counters because why not? And then you can press the side button to apply the changes. Okay, if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch faces. We're gonna bring the phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health application. And here you can tap on devices, select your Huawei Band 11, then scroll down, find the watch faces category, and tap on more. It will open the watch face store, and here you can download additional watch faces for your watch. There's some pop-ups. Okay, let's select the category. Come on. Listen to me. Something is very annoying. Oh, now we can go through categories. There is nothing in free category. Interesting. So let's scroll through the list, look for something. As you can see, most of them are behind the paywall. Actually, let me lower the brightness a bit because it seems like it's a bit too bright for the screen. Okay, now it should be good. As you can see, most of them are behind the paywall. We need to pay for them. But there are some free ones. They're hiding somewhere. So let's open some category. And this one is free. So you can find some free ones, but you need to look for them. For some reason, the free category doesn't work. Anyway, once you find the watch face you want to download, you can tap on it. Tap on install. It will start installing and then applying, and once it's applied, it will pop up on your Smartband. Like this. And you can also change between the watch faces already installed on your watch or other Smartband. And to do that, go back to the device page, tap on my faces, and here we have the list of... What do you mean failed to load? Come on. And here we have the list of basically watch faces already installed on our Smartband, and you can scroll through it, look for the watch face you like, tap on it, tap on apply, and the watch face will be applied. Okay, and that's how you change the watch faces on this Smartband. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.